So why do I have a pile of kids' building blocks on my dollhouse building table? Stay tuned and I'll show you how to turn a simple child's toy into a really handy gluing jig. Alright, so a lot of times when we're crafting, whether it's for our dollhouse miniatures or for another project, we need to glue two pieces of, say, wood or any other material into a nice straight 90-degree angle. And it has to be precise. And sometimes that can be difficult without some kind of gluing jig. So I don't have my fancy magnetic one. I somehow misplaced it when I moved. So I'm going to show you the gluing jig that I've been using this week. And it's made from building blocks, ones like Legos. These are actually off-market ones from the dollar store, but if your kids have Legos, maybe they won't miss any. Grab a handful of them and come join me, and I'll show you how to make this jig. So it's really easy. Now the bottom plate is optional for this. I like the bottom plate because it means this is a lot more portable. That means I can glue something and I can move it off to the side. The Lego products or the building blocks like this that are interlock are great because they interlock so they stay strong, but also they've got nice straight edges. So I'm going to build up a few of them here, just make a nice straight line here, and then I'm going to make a line over here. Now I have a perfectly formed right angle right here. Means I can take these pieces of wood, put some glue on, and I can just run it right up in that corner, and I have a perfect right angle. I can just set this off the side to dry, and when I come back I know that it will be a good right angle. Also, wood glues and PVA glues, those type of glues, don't stick really well to the Lego product, so it's easy to get your project off. Super glue is a little harder to clean up off of it, but you can do it. So that's my simple tool tip for today's Tuesday Tidbit. Be sure and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Like the video, comment, check out the blog post, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.